Hi. Today I wanted to show you something I'm working on in between other things, and that's it's a simple um, tool that will help me run campaigns on LinkedIn. Um, so what I've done yesterday is I asked ChatGPT to write me code that will actually send message to LinkedIn via API. It did that. I had to tweak it a little bit so my coding skills actually helped. And today, I'm working on the front end. So the idea is that I will provide it my personal brand description, and then some thoughts about what do I want to focus on, what's the goal, what's the mission for the campaign, and then we'll come up with a whole plan. And based on that plan, I will be able to on each individual content type and content, I will be able to refine it, give it some personal notes or adjustments, and yeah, it will just create everything for me and then later send it on my behalf on LinkedIn. Uh, so so I'm already here. It built a simple, simple scaffolding of the project. Um, as you can see, with all the all of this was actually generated by AI. All of this simple stuff. I'm just sitting here, copying and pasting. Let's see if I'm working on. Well, I'm working on yeah, I'm working on the private label component. Let's see if it actually worked. Compiles. What did it do? Hmm. Okay. Well, I have all. I have all the text boxes that I wanted, so it's actually good. Okay. I think I'll need to change this to text areas, but input. Yeah, I'll change it to text areas, but it doesn't matter. What matters is, that that already works, and I'll just continue. I'll probably ask it like, what's the next? Let's ask it to implement marketing strategy builder. Okay, go ahead and implement. Um, so I need to copy the code. I can tell that it's doing the right thing already. Generate. Oh, okay. So there is a placeholder for the function that will actually generate a marketing strategy. That makes sense. Which I will later tell it to implement as well. Nice. By the way, the whole UX and UI and like requirements for this application was also generated by AI. I only told it what I want to do, what's my goal, and gave it a rough description, and it described in words what are the requirements for the application, and then based on that, this is actually generated the HTML. So it did product designer work, and now is doing software developer work, but it also did a software architect job earlier. Uh, yeah, well, okay, let's see if it works. Just paste it. That's my VS Code, and then no errors. Well, probably will just work. Yeah, okay. Select goal. I don't like that one. I think I'll ask it to change it to something. Maybe. Ooh, actually, maybe I'll ask it to suggest. Well, we'll see. So thanks. That's it.